Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to this reality. So I know I haven't done a video in quite some time. Your girl has been off her game, so this is not going to be like on the typical schedule. Don't expect a typical schedule for a while. But I'm here to unbag my Ipsy for the month of January, and I'm super excited, so let's just jump right into it. So this month for Ipsy, we have this cute little bag that reminds me, it's very like 80s, 90s inspired, and then I got two face masks. The first one is a pomegranate crush, and the second one is an aloe rescue, and these feel like they're just like, oh no, they are, they're fiber sheet masks, so that's pretty cool. And then in my little bag here, the first product in here is from Oribe. I think I'm saying that right, maybe not, I don't know. It's Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Wouldn't be a video without the animals. Stick around for the end. I'm gonna put a cute little clip in that happened yesterday, so that's your little plug. But this is dry shampoo from Oribe. I've heard about this. Tati talked about this and she loves it, so I'm gonna see how I feel about it. Alright, this is a brush from Visanti. This is a contour eyeshadow 4 brush. It looks like this. So I will try this out later. So there's an eyeshadow from Dirty Little Secret. The eyeshadow is the shade Bikini. Like that. It's very pretty. I like it a lot. So this is Ciate Fierce Flicks eyeliner, and it's black, kind of what I thought it was going to be. It's very black. I like it. Super excited to try all of these products that I got in my Ipsy bag today. That's why I came on camera barefaced. So look for a follow-up video to this. I probably won't post it today. I'll probably put it up, schedule it to upload tomorrow. But I will be filming that right after this, so you'll see like the same outfit and all of that. But yeah, so if you guys stuck around to this point in the video, enjoy the cute little clip of the animals, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and don't forget the Dose of Reality Facebook page for some more fun. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Bree51687, for some more fun over there, and I will see you guys very soon for another video. Bye! Luke's running the vacuum. Cadet's totally fine. Lacey's fine. There's Sheldon. Just scared as the day is long.